Guys, I'm back. I made it. Don't ask me how, but I'm here. Had a flight and, but I'm alive. I did get rid of all of the liquidity that I saw was taken out, so that's cool. I feel like I didn't miss much. That's weird. Normally the Maya effect takes place and I miss a whole bunch. Appears that I actually have not missed that much, which is a little bit weird for me. I obviously have to, ooh, that's not right. Obviously have to mark out a bunch of shenanigans now, because I missed a day and a half. What's up, Richard? How you doing? Happy Thursday. How was yesterday? Get any bangers? I'm just gonna mark out all of these.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Good morning! What's up, Sally? Holly? Which one are we at today? I'm just gonna mark all these liquidity levels. I'm not even gonna mark out what they are, but I can see that they're liquidity levels. I'll double check it also on the hour time frame. But this just gives us a good general idea. I see that we had some interesting moves this morning. Yeah, okay. Well, I say that. Let's say yesterday New York PM session and this morning. Yeah, I guess this morning was me. This morning was okay. Let's take a looky, see. I need to quickly mark out midnight because obviously I was not here this morning where I did my usual let's mark out everything shenanigans that I do. Beep, 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 beep. Where is it at? I'm going the wrong way. Ah, there it is. Not gonna lie, guys, I'm low-key exhausted, but let's see how the exhaustion copes. If it's not that bad, I'll be able to take a trade. If it's just not my day-to-day, then it's just not my day-to-day. I'm not gonna force myself to take a trade. Just wanted you guys to see I'm still alive. Oh! Holly is retired. Solly might not even cut it. Super serious Solomon. Noted. Solomon it is. How was it? It was good. It was good. It was busy. It was busy. I'm exhausted, but check out my hair. Apple? I don't know if you can see it properly. I might have to turn around. But yeah, I don't know if you can see it at all. I'm just... Yes? Did you see my hand? Your social battery on 0%. That's an understatement. You know, at like 8:30 at night... 8:30. This is how old I am. At 8:30, I was like, I wanna go home. I'm tired. I wanna go sleep. To be fair, I had been awake since 4 AM, but still. What's up, Louie? How are you doing? And hi, good morning, Eddie. So social battery being at 0% is actually being quite polite. It does just mean that we're all in for a very fun time today. Good luck to y'all. If y'all come at me, I might be extra sassy. I'll just blame it on the braid. Okay, so I see this is actually London high, so now I guess I can mark it out. That's nothing, but I will still keep it there because it is a Violin that was taken. Cool. Oh. It is so high that wow, I drew that real bad. Okay. There we go. That is also all-time high over there. Cool. I feel like I'm missing something. No? Yes, new daily, but I can see the new daily is basically around where midnight is, so that's fine. I'll check that out a little bit further now. So, done, marked out midnight. Let me quickly do a top to bottom analysis. I see that this morning was quite nice. Bummer. But it is what it is. Okay. Let's do a top to bottom. Oh wow! Well, they're fake flowers. Sorry, I don't know if you can see them. They are fake flowers. Not get excited. Very much fake, but yes, they are flowers. Ooh, I was like, what the heck? Oh god, let me pop this back onto normal. Oh my gosh, yeah, let's connect. Tanks. Let's move that out the way. When you're ready. Checking. Okay, cool. I'm so ladylike. I know, Geordie. You should have seen me. I was wearing a pink. I was wearing a pink floor-length dress yesterday. I was completely out of my comfort zone. What's up, OTT? How you doing? About to hit TP. Louis, that is also my looking like my Irish nan. Welcome to trading with Bubble House Kids. I'm actually not even, Geordie, I wish I could say, yeah, that's the case. Not even. I didn't even drink yesterday. That's a lie. I had like 2 glasses of champagne. Jules, what's up? TV slap. Anyway, Jules, long time no see. A lot has been happening. I see that. OGT, I low-key saw your message on the order flow thing. What did I miss? Was that you making a joke, or was there actually a lady friend? My Uber driver today to get to the airport. I have a story to tell you, but that's not the point. For some reason, he reminded me a lot of you, Ash. He was just like super easy to chat to. What am I doing? Okay, wait, I'm actually supposed to be focusing right now, guys. I know I have a lot of stories to tell you. But let me focus. Okay, so on the daily, I see we have created a very massive imbalance over here. What the heck? Cool. Okay, big imbalance to the buy side. Has tapped... okay, big imbalance to the buy side. Let's see what happens if we're going to continue back down or not. So that's the daily. Let's check the 4 hour. Tate, what's up? Morning from Los Angeles. Great New York opening Thursday. I hope so. Oh, Jules, you know what? I've been doing good. I'm fine. I'm exhausted, but I'm fine. I just got back from Joburg. I literally had a flight this morning. Unfortunately for me, I do get a little bit... I wasn't bad, though. It was a really rough flight. Put it that way. Like, the turbulence and stuff. You know, I don't care. It doesn't actually faze me, but it was a bit bouncy. And then, like, it did, like, this drop thing, which makes me feel yucky. Just... Okay, Nope. Oh. Okay, have tapped into this fair value gap on the 4 hour. Yeah. 1 hour. Yeah, this is where I want to double check my liquidity zones. Tapped into there. We're going back up into this fair value gap and VWAP. Ooh, this could be a good rejection point on the 1 hour. Going back up into VWAP, into this bearish fair value gap and potential back down, unless it is respecting the heck out of that 4 hour bullish fair value gap. To be determined. Let's wait and see. Oh, wait, what am I doing? No, sorry guys, I might blind you. I apologize. Okay. That's correct. That's correct. That's correct. That's correct. Cool. That one's not really, but I'll keep it there for now. This one isn't as wow as these 4 over here. Yeah, these 3, sorry. This one's... I'm taking note of it. Do you know what? I'm actually then gonna change this to be like that. It's not as important. Okay. Midnight magnet, done. Okay, that's the hourly. Let's check the 15-minute. I will come check y'all now. You're saying I'm Uber driver worthy. Me and Jody have been hearing Jules in the Discord. Iguave and how? Bully. Yes. No. Iguave bully. Anyways. Oh yeah, look at all these full portraits like Pokemon. Facts sent. Help. Jules, what happened? And of course, I'm a gambler. What's happening? What's up, Sean? How we doing? How we doing? Welcome to the chaos. I feel like I've missed a lot. What did I miss? Apart from Ikuave bullying people, which I 100% believe. What did he do, though? Okay, over there. Okay, 15 minutes. Let's check the 5 minute. $9:25. Okay, we have 5 minutes. Well, probably around 5-ish minutes to go. Let's see what we got. Oh, guys. Oh. Did you dance at the wedding? No, I did not dance. I did not dance. So, to be fair, so my sister organized, well, I don't actually know how much she did, but they organized, I'm gonna say her and her now husband, organized this wedding within 2 weeks. They weren't going to, you know, the plan wasn't for them to get married, and then basically, oh no, when it starts dropping like this, come on, don't do that. Basically, yeah, while my parents were down, they're like, yeah, let's get married while you're still here. So they organized this whole wedding within 2 weeks. So it wasn't like massive, it was very chilled. There wasn't like dancing or anything like that, but it was cool. There was games, there was food, there were flowers. That's about it. Anyways. Did I meet my love at the wedding? No. I like barely spoke to anyone. Boom. I'm not a... I told you, unless you come and speak to me, I will not approach you. So I kind of sat there and I was like, cool. I don't just walk up to people and start talking. That's just not who I am. It feels, you know, it's just not my thing. Yeah. So I just kind of sat there and I was like, cool. If y'all need me, I'll be right here. That's it. What's up, Debbie? How we doing? Anyone that's just hopped on?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Hope you guys are awesome. I must tell you though, my arm is so sore from holding the damn bouquet because it was a protea. I can actually, I brought the flowers home with me. Not the bouquet, I got also a little bouquet, so I had to hold 2 freaking bouquets. Anyways, very pretty. I don't know if you guys know what a protea is. It's really nice. It's just a big ass flower. I'm always thinking about them bananas. Good to know, not good at weddings. Good. Well, no, to be fair, like I said, if people come up and talk to me, cool. It's just I hate small talk. I hate going up to people and being like, yo, what's up? How you doing? If we have nothing to talk about, I guess that's it. If we have nothing to talk about, I hate small talk. I'm so bad at it, and it really, really sucks. I'm not a small talk person. So if we have nothing in common, I don't want to sit there discussing random things. It's not fun. But if you have things to just chat about, like I said, me and my Uber driver, the full, what was it, like 45-minute drive? Sat there just talking the whole time about, I can't even remember, psychology, I think. It was super interesting. You know, he also went and worked in Japan for a little bit. So he was telling me about Japan. See? And then it just flows. And then it's fine. Then it's easy. But for me, it's small talk. I cannot stand small talk. We have 1 minute to go, by the way. I am watching, believe it or not. Could be doing you gotta grow 2 pairs and talk to them. To be fair, there was no one there to talk to. Literally, there was no one there to talk to. So, give you an idea. The groom, so my sister is older than me. By 2 years, meaning she's turning 30. The groom is younger than me. I think he's 25 now. Meaning his younger brother was 20 years old. I'm not about to go and talk to a 20-year-old. I'm putting it out there. I'm not about to go and be like, yo, what's up? I have nothing in common with a 20-year-old. Well, that's a lie. No, not a lie. I don't have anything in common. Okay, good. Go up and say, so by yourself? good. How about this weather? Louis, stop it. What's up, Tom? How you doing? You're saying a short is coming. Ooh, hello. Oh! I even said I was paying attention and I did not pay attention.
Okay, let's get off.
Ooh. Equal highs up above here. So sorry guys, if I'm not extra chatty today, it's because I am exhausted. I arrived home an hour ago. The flight, what time? The flight landed at 10 to 1. I got home at 2:15. It is now, well, it's now 3:30, but obviously I started streaming at 3:15. So I have been running around like a crazy person for 2 days straight. The highlight. So there were two highlights. Obviously yesterday I got to see my horse. Don't know if you guys saw the video. Which was awesome. I miss him so much. I can't wait to be able to see him every day. But there was a puppy. So where I went to go get my hair did, if you can see it, you know, very, very fancy, very, very wow. There was this puppy. He was literally this big. He's like a little sausage dog. He was tiny. I don't know, you can't really see it. There's like a little hole in my jacket because he's absolutely insane. The absolute highlight. I think everyone was all wedding focused and oh, got to do my nails, oh good. I was sitting in the dirt playing with this puppy. And everyone thought I was weird. They were like, what is wrong with you? I was literally sitting in the dirt playing with this puppy because he was just too cute. Anyways, if any of you were wondering what type of person I was, everyone else was like, oh, the hair and the nails and the da-da-da, and I was like, puppy, I'll go chill with the dog. My, you look lovely in your dress and picture. Thank you. Well, to be fair, this is not even a dress, sorry. So, I mean, the dress was all yesterday. I kept the hair because it's not often that I get my hair did, so I was like, let's ride this girly train for a little bit. The other day I was getting pulled into Indian forest. I pulled back quick. I can't beat on my Eddie. Wow. MTP. Snap fast again. My was not this one. And I'm not putting my bubble out my look. Let's go. Wait, Debbie. Next opportunity 9:30 short. Let's. Okay. I mean, there's these equal highs over here. Let's see if this is about to be the first presented. In which case, I know, Dom, you want to see a short. I think it could go short once it taps into VWAP, but the question is... Oh... I won't be able to take this. So I'm just looking at it now. I won't be able to take it. 4, 3, 2, 1. So here's the first presented. Awesome source. But... you know what? I can take it on paper. It just took out equal highs. I would have to do this full range. All the way back up there. Like I said, I would actually be keen on it tapping into the fair value gap. There's also a... What was it? An hourly? Yes, there was an hourly fair value gap over here. Bearish fair value gap. Right by VWAP, which I said I wouldn't mind seeing it tap into before potential continuation to the sell side. OTT function there right now. Sean says buy OTT, but I can still make no one already happening. I'm not really sure what's happening. Their TP snapped again. Just TP bob level down. Okay. do 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 do. I wanted to see this. Oh. Never mind. I was gonna be like, oh damn, this looks good, but actually where the entry is not ideal. I mean, it's okay, but it's not ideal. Do you know what I can do? I can maybe take this on the paper. If someone wants to make more pips first, present an entry. Oh no, I missed the long because my laptop was lagging. That's rude. Sorry. That is what that is. The audacity is real. Entry here up to... Sorry. I can feel a little bit of FOMO going on here, so let me quickly do this. Okay, paper trade. It's on the paper trading because I don't exactly trust this, but I would take potentially a buy here. Up to VWAP. Stop loss just below first presented. Yeah, like there. That was not supposed to be 6 contracts, but here we are. Let's see what this does. It did take out the equal highs too. I also kind of expect a little bit of a lower drop, but maybe not. Okay. Tiny bit being the keyword here. Tiny bit of rejection off of a volume imbalance on ES. Not quite enough. But theoretically, you know what? I can do this. I can do this. Let's make it. Bob's Bob. Yeah? Yeah. Bob's Bob. TP1 by the by VWAP. This can go down here now. Good there. Ah, sugar honey iced tea. That? No, I would have had to wait for it to close to get confirmation that it was a fair value gap. Never mind. That did not even come close to entry down there, so I'm gonna delete that. This was me just marketing in because I like the rejection off of the Bob level. No other reason. Again, this is on paper. I hope it's on paper. Go reverse now. Nah. You paid what? 300 hands of poker today. 300 is excessive. I'll pull a Louis and make TP in at $30. Let's see. Oh, right there at VWAP. That's close. That do be close. Let's see what this decides to do. If this thing goes up, awesome. What's up, Silent Hustle? How you doing? I was cooking for like 2 hours and then my attention span started slipping. I mean, I don't blame you. I was full porting by the end. So I literally, don't judge me guys, but I literally don't know how to play poker. I just kind of go, okay, and I go with it. Nah. Oh? Okay, then. Yep. Let's see. Let's see if this now goes up for TP or not. If it's just going to be retesting this zone. Potential retest of the first presented. Dom, you're looking for a short at the first presented, right? Okay, no. Down we go. Cool. Cool, 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 cool. Is there news today? I haven't even checked anything, guys. Nothing really today. Tomorrow. Oh, tomorrow there's some things. Okay. Tomorrow we do got some news. Not a lot, but a little bit. Periwinkle, you are breathing so loud. He's so happy. Looks like it's creating a channel. Mine neither do I. Just don't get how the hands work and what beats what. No, Debbie, not a cooking clue. Not a cooking clue. I've tried it like twice. I still don't understand it. I don't understand what's so fun about it, but I get it's probably just because I don't know how to play it right, because it's the same with trading. I used to be like, oh, trading's not fun, trading's weird. Here we are. Like an hour, a year and a bit later. Wow. Mentally messed today. Yeah. Mentally messed today, so I might not actually take, even if there's an A+ setup, I might, well, no. Let's see, guys. I'm gonna play it safe. You know, if the mental state isn't there, rather don't trade. Doesn't mean I can't take paper trades, though. Okay, looking at this, that long would have been a loss. Would it have even been an A+ setup, though? No, that would have just been me taking every single range. Like I said, it did take out the first presented. If being the keyword. So on ES, excuse you, thank you. On ES, check out that nice rejection off of that volume imbalance up and then coming back down. Not bad, right? Oh, and it rejected. Wow, ES is actually listening really well today. Who's trading ES? How's it looking? You guys happy right now? Sad? Me? So Louis sold at VWAP, NFP tomorrow. Thanks, Debbie. TPS 250. Hey, big shout out. If I'm not so good. Hey, Drebs. What's up, Josh? Yeah. Oh, listen, like flying into Durban today was fun because of all the turbulence. Seriously, there was a moment where the plane was here and it just like dropped like that. I was like, oh, okay then. If today's my day, then I guess today's my day. You guys nearly didn't get any more streams ever again. I have a secret suspicion Big Boom is a threat at the poker table. You think so? We slept again. I'm short on ES. Ooh, nice, Louis. Okay. Don't trust me. It can't work. 944. Okay. I'm waiting for opportunities. Give me a second. So I just, you know, you have to tell the whole world that you're safe and you're still good. Yeah. I wish PA was like this every day. Ah, Louis. Okay, into VWAP there. Very nice off of there. Back down to 930 into the bob level. Awesome. Good call, Dom. That is awesome. Louis, you say 7-5. Damn, Louis. Okay, you're going for it. Ooh, ooh. Have you moved stop loss into? I don't know. Do you move your stop loss at all? Do you move it break even? Do you just leave it? Yeah. What do you normally do, Louis? Louis Graham. Dom gets a whoop whoop. Well done. Break even now. Okay, there we go. Cool, cool, cool. So you do move break even. That is awesome. Whoop whoop for Dom. Whoop whoop for Louis as well. Whoop whoop for anyone else that had a whoop whoop. You're what's up? Bob? Sorry, sorting some shenanigans. Sorry guys, I have to take this. Give me a second. Have to take this phone call. No, we're good. Never mind. Telegram at 50% so far. Ah. Okay, so 947. Sorted, sorted, sorted. To retraced, I'm out at break even. Oh, that's okay though. Armel, what's up? How are you doing? You rang? Did I ring? Ring, ring. Hello? Ring, ring. Hello? What's up, Perry? Big shake, okay. Wow, okay, this is now going Bob, Bob, back up again to Bob level. Wow. Not giving a damn about that 930 rejection off of BWAP on ES. Awesome. Rejection right off of there. Let's see what else we may or may not achieve here. 248, still no A plus for me. It's a bit of a bummer. Okay. Still not getting A plus and nothings yet. Potential for a short there. Sorry guys, I won't be streaming too long today. Like I said, I am exhausted. Absolutely exhausted, but we continue. We continue. I didn't want to miss too many days off of the chart. I wanted to see what we're getting, but especially with tomorrow being... Deb, you said tomorrow CPI, hey? With tomorrow being CPI, I wouldn't be surprised if we do get a little bit of chop. What? Oh, NFP. Thank you. Thanks, Deb. Deb, how's your week been going? Did you have another loss, or has it only been winner chicken dinners the whole time? Do I wanna? No, I don't think I wanna know. Do I wanna know, Bob? No, I don't. Nope. It's fine. I don't think I wanna know. That's okay. I won't ask that question. Still just gonna sit here and watch. see what happens. No? Huh. Sorry. Check out this. No? Maybe not check out this. Oh, please don't say we're gonna be chopping today. Who thinks this is gonna be choppy? Oh god. Where's the Super Bowl? Let's see. What up? How you doing? Let's do this. Fossilized geezer, what's up? How you been? Long time no see. Are you good? How's the trading been treating you? Maya, what should I do if? I'm waiting for the rest of that question. Louis, what should you do if? Nope. Not expecting anything here. Wow. Starting to look a little bit like sad price action. Going for the lows, going for the highs, going for the lows, going for the highs. Ah, Louis, that's terrible. I'm fine. I like, oh, thanks. Oh, damn. Sideways is winning this one today. I've decided to cheat. I'm listening. What do you mean by cheat? Like, are you using like an indicator or why? What do you consider cheating with trading? I have so many questions. Well, I'm not breaking anything this week. I've done okay, I guess, but I've had 3 losses so far this week. What? Caught the Maya effect earlier and got a good win. Wow. Wow. Debbie, to be fair, it wasn't really the Maya effect, because if it was the Maya effect, yesterday would have been a banger day, and I see yesterday was okay. This morning looked good. I'll give you that. London this morning looked like it was pretty decent, but yesterday looked meh, pretty meh. Tell me if I'm wrong. How was yesterday's trading? Was it good? Bad? Iffy? Amazing? Sucky? Help me out here. Was the Maya effect really in play? Yesterday was a banger day. Oh, damn. Yesterday was a banger. 1 loss, 1 win on a Wednesday as well. Oh, damn. Okay, so, okay, fine. I see the Maya effect is still in play. Whatever. Gone for 1 day and things aren't working. I'm back and it's going sideways. Ridiculous. You were busy most of the day, so didn't trade yesterday. Ugh. Damn, Deb, come on. You're supposed to help me out here with if the Maya effect was still in play or not. That was a good rejection offer that first presented. Which means, was this still? Excuse me, sir. Thank you. Sideways. Okay, it's fine. But to be fair, you're here today and it's already a banger date. Aw, thank you. I'm trying to decide if that's an insult or not. I feel like it low-key is. Are you being mean? I can't even tell right now. I feel like you are. But I'm also not too sure. I'm conflicted. Anyways. It's just confirmed. That's good enough for me. Wow. You know, I feel a little bit of a bias going on right now, and I don't know how I feel about it. Okay, I'm just saying. Don't know how I quite feel about that, but whatever. It is what it is. We're just gonna continue. They manipulate our brains with trading books. Too much information can kill the trade. I understand what you're saying there, but do you think it's trading books, or is it just trading gurus, or is it just trading in general? There's so much information out there that can either make or break you. I mean, like right now I could just do this. We are, yes, okay, we're still on paper. I was like, And then I could just be like, you know what, when it reaches a certain spot, I'm gonna call it. Let's see. Because I can't, like I said guys, this is on paper. Oh, can you imagine I accidentally did this on my funded? That being said, looks like there's a little bit of supply zone over here. Right, Louis? But it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. How's that mean? I don't think the Wi fix it at all. It's all in your head. Oh, thank you. Thanks, Louis. So I need some form of strategy. If you just go clicking buy or sell, you cause issues. I don't quite know what the plan was with this, to be fair. I just kind of did it. Let's see if it breaks a level or not. How much can I make this for? Maybe pushing it. Let's make it 100. I'm not gonna bother with the TP yet. Let's see what this does. Oh, it's right by the first presented. Yeah. Okay, to be fair, that should have been out. Should have being the keyword there right now. It's gonna go out now. Nope. Yes. Maybe. Nope. Yes, maybe. Louis, I agree with you. Today is definitely a slow day, but it's okay. My strategy is when my brain says buy, I sell. So you... Maybe I should do that, because my brain was saying sell, and if I had bought that, it would have been a beautiful buy entry. You know what? I think you're onto something there, hey? I think you're onto something. I must just start shading myself. But I'm like, I think this is gonna keep selling to a certain spot. That's when you buy. Oh, to be fair, it was rejecting off the 50% of the 930 gap. Oop. Back up into VWAP could be quite good. Still watching. So rejected off the first presented, rejected off of VWAP over there. Still struggling to break the 50% of the bob level though. That's interesting. The old and faithful Fade Maya strat. Yeah. Debbie, yeah, but what about when you're right? To be fair, I feel like I'm right less often than I'm wrong. No? Does that make sense? Now it rejected. Seriously? Okay. ES looks like we're slowly starting to get that push to the buy side now. Let's see. See, I said potential buy side which means you guys should probably get your sells in. No? Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. Ah. Yo, if this thing just dropped for a sell now, I would have laughed so much. As I said, potential buys. Let's see, going. Oh, it's 10. Okay, so it is indeed the new hourly. Whoa, sideways is apparently the way we are going today. Wow. Just wow. Okay, well let's have a quick look at the poll. So up is winning, not by a lot though. Up is winning by 42%. Sideways, up and sideways are tie for 42%. Down is winning by 16%, which is interesting. Okay. I'll respond later. If you're often there, no, Louis, I said I'm wrong more often than I'm right. Never mind. Okay, maybe I messed that up when I said it. I meant it like that when I said it. I meant that when I said it. Sorry, Louis. I'm too tired. My brain's actually not functioning, but it's okay. We're watching here 10:02. Like I said, guys, I probably won't be here for long. 10:30. I might call it. I might just call it at an hour today, especially if it's going to be giving us nothing. Today's whole vibe was, I hope you're ready for nothing. Unless you're trading on ES. ES looks good. ES looks very, respectful. I think that's the right word. Let's check this out on ES. Curiosity is just getting to me. Okay, wouldn't have tagged in. Would have been mean. Oh well. Did reject beautifully off of that volume imbalance over there though. Let's see. Oh. 1. Awesome. 2. Woo, would have gotten close, but still worked out quite well. And now it looks like we're changing. Is it 3 and done? Let's see what it does here. Double opposite wicks at the top. See how it reacts here, but it looks like it's about to create a bearish fair value gap. Two break evens, 1 long, 1 loss. Yes is a lovely chap. Yes is. Oh no, until now. Would have been a loss there, but what's that? 1-0. If I'd taken this, that would have been a loss. Okay, so that's 2 losses, 2 wins, so it would have been up 2R. Yes. Yes. That took me a minute. I was like, am I mathing? I am mathing. Math is mathing. Awesome. What? I mean, 1 long, 1 short. I don't take losses. Have we made it yet? Nope. No trade. Sitting here watching it. Just go bob, 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 bob. Just bobbing about. I'm funny. Ah. Damn. Anyways. What's the holdup? The price action's just not working with me today. Bummer. Oh well. I'm watching. Let's see if we do get something else. Hello. Can I help you, sir? Hi. Hello. Ich hab Periwinkle. Coming to bless all of us. You are funny. I actually laughed at that one. It's the braid, isn't it? It makes me funnier. Well, I know I at least made one person laugh, and that makes me happy. At least one person is a good way to start. I'm chuffed with that. A cat or dog? Bro, that's a dog. What cat is that big? Yo, imagine if there was a cat that massive. That would be insane. Low-key terrifying. I mean, that would be called like... Wait, what's it called? Jungle cat? Isn't a jungle cat? Isn't a jungle cat just a tiger? And I guess maybe like a puma or a jaguar. Because technically, lions are not jungle cats. Yeah, the brain is tightening up your scalp. Make your brain funny. Did you hear that? Apparently I'm funny now. Apparently I'm funny now. You just want sweets, don't you? Okay. Is that what it is? You have a massive house guest size new dog. I forget the name. Are you speaking about the Mancoons, Debbie? And they also like water. Are you speaking about the Mancoon cats? Because yes, they can get massive. Cool. Dogs are cool. Cats are strange. Last one. Okay. But you're adorable and I missed you. I'm about to be home and then I'm gonna fire up the computer, open my chart, and then I'm gonna go long. Okay. Are you just gonna mark it in on along and say let's go for it? Is that where we at? Savannah cats actually act like dogs. Oh, okay. This is a little bit okie dokie. Can I help you? And blinder TT, impossible. What's up, Rolf? How you doing? That's it. Those mancoons are awesome. And give me 2 seconds, guys. Let me go see. He's acting like he has no food. Is that it? Okay. He's acting like he's starved. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Her saying something to leave the mark will go nuts, but a canine brain can't handle this. Do 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 do. Okay. Let's see. I don't know if I'm gonna get a Get an A+ today, guys. See what it does here. Damn, okay, now it's pushing on ES. Problem is it's not pushing on NQ nearly as much as I would like to see it push on NQ, and it's about to tap into this level. Oh, why? Damn, ES, calm down. Another break even, enemy, someone enemy. To be fair, see, you know, I just want to. I know everything. I don't hate cats, I just prefer dogs. So Debbie, you like me. I'm the same. Actually, I think some cats are quite cute. You get the ones that are like meh. And then you get the really cute ones that just actually genuinely love their people. But in general, dogs are just friendlier than cats. And I like the happy friendly ones. Wow, this that respected that liquidity level solidly. Solidly. Look at that. What a rejection off of that liquidity level. Oh, right. Let's do butterfly of the day. That's a good point, Louis. That's a very, very good point. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. I feel like this is not the... Oh, it is. Why did it look different? Sorry. Was that the website I normally use? Crazy photo fire on me if you came here. So let's quickly do a butterfly. Are we ready? Wow, my hair's going crazy. But are we ready for butterfly of the day? Okay. Let's do a random butterfly generator and generate. This looks cool. Okay. What? I spelled butterfly wrong. That's embarrassing. Look at this guy. I can't even say his name. Clodius Parnasian. I feel like I butchered that. Anyways, how cool is he? Look, he has little red dots on his butt. Wow, check at him from the outside as well. Why is he so cool? He is so cool! Look at him! I dig him. Okay. This is a cool butterfly of the day. I'm glad you reminded me, Louis. I completely forgot, and this is a very cool butterfly of the day. Let's see what this says. So the Clodius Parnasian. Clodius. I feel like I'm saying that so wrong. Anyways, is a medium-sized translucent white butterfly. I know some translucently white people. Anyways, butterfly endemic to Western North America. Notable for its entirely black antenna and two striking red spots on its hind wings on its butt. It favors damp forest edges. Damn it, I don't have that that's what she said thing. It favors damp forest edges and mountainous meadows, where its caterpillars feed on bleeding hearts. That sounds dark as heck. I'm assuming that's, yeah, it's a flower. Wingspan of 50 to 62 millimeters. Appearance, translucent or milky white wings with dark gray markings and no red spot on the forewings. The hind wings feature two distinct red spots. Cool. Antenna entirely black, which helps distinguish it from similar species. Cool. So it's exclusively from North America. stretching along the Pacific coast from Southern California up into southeastern Alaska and eastward into the Rocky Mountains in states like Idaho, Montana, and Wyoming. Cool. Habitat thrives in cool shaded canyons, forest edges, riparian areas. Oh, English. There we go. And then the flight period, adults typically fly for a brief period from June through to July. Ta-da! There's our butterfly of the day. Like I said, he's cool as heck. I like him. He's cool. I'm happy with this butterfly of the day. Back to the charts we go. Da, da, da. Oh, I see we didn't miss much. Dogs in particular, like the bacteria breeder dogs, butterflies don't have random. Ah, no, but some people do be so much you can see their blue veins. Yep. The weirdest fact about the, I don't know, is the male effectively locks the female. What? The caterpillars of the Clodius Mesian are active mostly at dusk and night and have evolved to mimic poisonous millipedes. That's wild. An extra odd fact, one California subspecies, not gonna read that, appears to have gone extinct after habitat destruction in the Santa Cruz Mountains. That's interesting. Live life, what's up? How are we doing? Okay. Still getting rejections off of there. Wow. Let's see. Sorry, all the hiccups. Oh, it's raining. Guys, it's raining here. 1, 2. This one would have worked out, but well, yeah, okay. Definitely would have been break even. See if we continue back up. Okay. Ooh, like I said, I would have gone break even here. Would have been a break even trade. Literally nothing gained, nothing lost. Today is just not looking like my type of trading day. What a bummer. Okay. Okay then. If you say so. Anyone else get any whoop whoops? How's everyone else looking? Partial taken, call me Overtrude. Live life, you're looking at logs, that's awesome. OTT, are you just having a bit of a day here?
Emotional damage.
Well, to be fair, partial taken, sorry, that means good. Okay. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna stick around for 10 more minutes. I want to see what Hot Boss 10 brings. Yeah. Most likely not gonna take a trade today. Can you tell my brain is not functioning? I am definitely a little bit of a tired sausage right now. I don't know why I said sausage. Anyway, I'm just tired today. But I did want to check out the charts. I wanted to see how they were acting. If we had a little bit more... I think that's it. If we just had a little bit more, I would be more like focused and into this, but this is not a great day trading wise right now for me. Yep, hit TP again. Noise. Okay, then I do think some whoop whoops are in order. Just saying. Me thinks whoop whoops are in order. Ooh. Like, have you never heard... Louis, have you never heard like a silly sausage? You're acting like a silly sausage. No? Is that just me? Is That's just what my parents said. Acting like a silly sausage. Wow, this hair is doing its own thing right now. They used to say that all the time to me. Acting like a silly sausage, and I'm like, okay. Don't quite know what that means, but are you sure? Yep. Live life, can I braid your hair? It's already braided. Check how pretty. It has flowers in it. Can you see? Can you even see it? I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna have to turn around. Solly, wait. I'm gonna have to. Sorry, I can't tell you what my mom used to call me because that's bad. To be fair, she still calls me that. I'm pretty well. To be fair, I call myself that now. I'm a little sugar honey iced tea. I always used to be called that. Sugar tea. Ah, yeah. That's a British thing. Really? Solly Snow. Game of Thrones reference. Oh, okay, I got you. I got you because what's his face? What was his name? Something Snow was it? Jon Snow. There we go. People tell me I carry myself like a young Jon Snow. Oh man, you guys are too funny. Again, I feel like I know everything that happened in Game of Thrones, even though I've never finished Game of Thrones. But yeah. Bastards don't have surnames, so you can be a Snow or a Sand. What's better? Snow or Sand? Take longs on SP, let's get balance moving. To be fair, right now I'm on paper, so it won't do anything to my balance. I'm just waiting, watching. Oh! Wow, okay. Yeah, those bits I was talking about. What the heck? What? Going out of wedlock, so it fits. Wow. Solly, have you ever... I feel like I've asked you this a few times and you've never really answered me. Have you ever considered writing a book about your life? You know, I think that would be quite an interesting read. Just saying, I would be quite keen on reading that because it sounds wild. By the way, guys, do you know that I know this lady? So she wrote... Let me find this book. So, sorry, just mentioning that made me be like, oh, wait a second. I know someone that's pretty, I don't know if she's famous. I don't know if you guys have ever even heard of her. Oh, it's starting to rain properly now. This book here, Fraud. So I know her. I've trained her. Very, very nice lady, but yeah, apparently, wait, let me try and get... Okay, wait, give me a second. Let me find the blurb. The blurb, right? The blurb about it. Literally. Yeah. Okay. Do you guys want me to read the blurb or do you not care? But basically, she was like a heroin addict and went to prison and she's just completely turned herself around. Very wild. Anyways. What? Wait. What have we got? We have got nothing that I want. Oh, it's raining properly right now. I don't know if you guys can hear the rain. It's raining, it's pouring. Have you heard that? That old flipping dark song. Okay, into VWAP. Let's see if it bounces off of this. I would expect a little bit of a bounce just looking at ES. I don't know how far down. Let me actually draw this out on ES. Wait a second. I'm on paper. It means I can take this trade on paper. Should I try take this trade on the paper for funsies? Let's take it for funsies on the paper. Would it be? Yeah, it would be close enough. Screw it. Let's take this on the paper account. The curiosities are getting the best of me. I have tooketh it. Tooketh? Taketh? Whatever. I took it. How's the song I mean, the man dies. Louis says back to back. NQ 40 more points and up 100. What? OTT? Persistence pays, yeah. Unless a man would have thrown in the towel after 2 break-evens. But not OTT. OTT's a real man. Oh, this is actually such a nice trade on ES. Sorry, just looking at this now, I'm going, oh. Bummer. Oh well. It is what it is. I don't know if it's gonna retrace that far back down though. Let me see it. Oh, nope, can't see it. Sorry, let me have this open over here. Will I also watch what's happening on NQ? Oh yeah, I'm just pull their bid one. I'm in the 1%. Nice rejection off that level, yep. Very nice rejection of that level there, Bob. Wanting to see if it's going to play a little bit of pinball here or not, but it looks like it might just start pushing up. Like I said, I want to see what 1030 gets us. If nothing, I might just call it early for today. Like I said, I am not quite here. Pity. Let's see. Moved it slightly. Have that open on ES still. It's quite a big rejection actually off of ES there. This is okay, yeah. I was about to be like, wait, but this is still a paper account. I don't know if it's gonna retest that far down. Ah, thanks, Deb. Yeah. It's just my face. You know what it is? I made the mistake of having an energy drink before the flight. So I'm like crashing now. I was gonna make myself a cup of coffee before the stream and I was like, no. Then there'll be no sleep for me tonight and I need sleep. I need sleep. Okay, here's the 1030. Are we gonna get something good? Oh, come on. I want to actually watch and see if this ES one works out or not. Damn, why did I do this to myself? Oh, hello. See, the cells are now starting to push a little bit. Entry long at 327. Okay. Bob's in. Oof. Okay. Bob's in. I've got my ES1 set up there. Let's see if we get a rejection off here. Okay, well the ES1 is in. Let's see what happens here. But the ES has now officially tapped in. Let's see if we get a solid rejection off of here. Partilla 2 being tickled. I see that rejection. I'll probably move to break even once it ticks, or yeah, if it taps this volume imbalance, because we can potentially see a rejection off of that. Okay. Watching, waiting, coming as I'm reaching. Saying it so do 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 do. Sorry, that's been stuck in my head the whole day. Oh, you know what, I'm gonna close above 350 to lock this in. Okay. Might want to go slightly further down. Let's see. It's okay. You guys can see where I've entered here on ES. Let's see what we get. Not gonna say anything because you guys know when I say things it does the opposite, so I'm just gonna zip my lip. Really? Oh no, it's been stuck in my head the whole day. I was just driving home singing a song and I was like, why am I haven't heard the song in a while, but it was completely trapped in my head today. Like I said, I'm not gonna say nothing. I'm not saying nothing right now. I'm gonna see how it reacts there. That little wickless over there is not great. Okay. Still got pop strips. That is hilarious. Really? Did it get like solidly stuck in your head? I'm about to add 5. Wow. Okay. Break even. A bit above break even. Not be greedy. There's that potential rejection from that volume imbalance, and it tapped into VWAP on NQ. Let's see. Let's see what it does here. Come on. Again, I'm just gonna keep quiet. That was a big wick. Oh, still the body of the candle is not closed above that volume imbalance. I see a little pullback here. So I'm specifically looking at ES right now. Sorry, my commentary is for the ES charts currently. break even? Question mark? No, let's see. Potential retest here. What's up, Ink Boy? How you doing? This is ES. Sorry. Not MES, just S&P E-mini futures. Yeah, ES is the symbol. Nah. Chucksy doodles. Okay. Little break even there. I did suspect a potential rejection off of that volume imbalance. It has been respecting the volume imbalances like a mad lad today on ES. Where did it? Oh, here. Respected it solidly. So when I saw that one, I was like, oh, okay. This baby gonna lock in if we get above 350. Pity. Let's watch and see here. Like I said, ooh, shorty shorts might actually be in play on ES. Sorry, I don't want to be a negative Nancy. I wouldn't. But you know. No. Oh man, I'm now locked into Bob's trade. I want to see how it goes. I'm now locked in. Let's see. I see you keep breaking even. Ha! Hey boy, no. Well, yes and no. Yes and no. This is paper trade right now. I haven't had an A+ set up for my trade. So I have not taken a proper trade today. Also, mentally, not right to take a trade today. I'm exhausted. So to take a trade with how I'm feeling would be, lack of a better word, stupid. It would be stupid for me to take a trade today. Psychology-wise, not worth it. So playing around a little bit on paper for today, having a look. Testing the waters almost a little bit. Like I said, I'm still watching to see here if we break above. I'm watching that 350 zone, area, level, whatever you want to call it. Okay, a little tap into VWAP there. No, still chillin'. Come on, I want to see this play out. Or not. Why don't I trade gold? Oh hell no, I've tried gold like once. No, how many times? I think I took like 3 gold trades. How do I put this? NQ and ES makes sense to me. Gold it follows the same rules but doesn't follow the same rules, so it feels completely foreign to me. I've tried to trade gold twice, like I said. I felt blind. I felt like a blind man. Yeah, just didn't work out that well for me. Not saying I'm never gonna trade it, but I thought let's rather become profitable with things that I can actually see. Instead of kind of going, what's happening with something I can't. Okay, okay, good rejection off of there. I was just about to say I might call it here. Well, make it a bit of an early day because I'm zonked, but now it's moving. Here we go. It's really struggling to break this bob level, but it's also struggling to break out of this resistance. It's basically pinballing between the bob level and VWAP right now. Let's see, I'm waiting. Gold is better for swing trading. Ah, that's the difference. I don't swing trade. I am a day trader. So I'm gonna have to take your word for it with regards to the swing trading. I have no idea. I'm gonna keep my mouth shut. Are we still just gonna pinball a little bit? No, yes, maybe. No, yes, maybe. No, yes, maybe. Come on. Gold is great for 2-minute scalps. Is this the break? Aha! Sorry, I'm just looking here. If I had not moved this to break, even if I just left it, would still be in this thing. Let's see, but it did reject off of that volume imbalance. Messed around a little bit here. Struggled. We do have another wickless over there though, so okay. I think it might still want to go a little bit down. Maybe one more drop to the sell side and then potential continuation back up on ES. You do watching me ball out right now? Oh no. You got this, Bob. Dora, I'm sitting here watching this as well. Only reason I haven't stopped streaming is for you. I hope you feel special. What about Forex Players? Never tried it. To be fair, Inkboy never tried it. So can't give you an answer on that one, sorry. Just literally never given it a go. Oh my gosh. I wasn't joking, this is pinballing between VWAP and the bob level. Doing, 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 doing. Okay then. Well. Bob, I'm giving you a trade to 2 more minutes. Let's see. Okay. Yes, no, maybe? Maybe. Last minute. Nice doji here. Well, I say nice. There's a doji there. Let's not go labeling it nice or not. 30 seconds. No, I'm closing. I'm gonna take the 100 points with it. Okay. Nice OTT. Yeah. Oh, OTT, you should have stayed on. I was about to call it, which means that some movement's about to happen. Just saying. You know how it goes. Four, 3, 2, 1. Cool. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna call it there. I need to go get food, and then I need to sleep. I do look tired. I look like I got bags under my eyes. Gross. So I'm gonna call it there. Sorry it wasn't very long today, but I thought I would still hop in, tell you guys that I'm alive and kicking, and I'll be back tomorrow, hopefully well rested. Well rested and ready then to take on Friday. Heck yeah, I can't believe tomorrow's Friday. But anyway, that would happen. So I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining. Yeah, nothing gained, nothing lost from today. Didn't get any A+, got nothing. So it's okay. It's okay. I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining. I'll be back tomorrow in London and New York. I'm back, baby. Trade safe, everyone. Be good. Yeah, that's about it. Okay, I love you guys madly. Bye.